Hi, this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. Welcome to my vibrational update. These are really joyful, happy vibrations. The only thing you have to do is stay in the now moment, filled with love. And how do we do that? Well, first of all, we have to be aware that we are most of the time in our head. Our heads are like big balloons. And our senses are very small. Our bellies are shrinking away when we are too much in our head. So we really have to shrink the head a little bit to feel more, to be more in that present moment. And when our belly is growing with the smells, with what we hear, with the sensations of life in the now moment, then there is more balance between head and belly. And then we can go into our heart to really receive life fully in an abundant way. There is abundance for everywhere, for everyone. And we have the right to be safe. And safety first is something that we have to realize in this month of March, which means if we work too much, we have to take the balance and take more off. When we are doing too much, we have to be more. So if we talk too much, we have to be silence. If we have internet a whole day, we have to take a whole day off internet. That would be nice, wouldn't it be? So at least take an internet-free day. Take more time in nature. If you are always inside, you go out. So you can make a balance of your life. Am I happy in this moment now? Do I feel safe? Are the things that I smell, is it good smells? Is what I hear, is it positive? Does it fills my mind in a positive way, etc.? If we hear too much of the disasters, it's difficult to stay safe. Because we are here in the Western world, we are in Belgium. In Belgium now there is no war. Of course, when we put the television on, there is war in our living room. So how can we help people who are in war? How can we make the balance? And the earth needs balance. The earth needs people who really stay in that safety cocoon, who really stay in their prayers, who stay in their hearts, and who can pray over the world to really realize harmony. If we feel the harmony, we can realize it. If we can feel it in every vein, we can really do that magical, we can have that magical touch on the Mother Earth. And this is the month where we balance our minds with our bellies, okay? So that the spirit opens up. This is the time that the cosmic mother, the cosmic female energy is rising again, finally. You will feel it in every sense. You will feel it in every nerve in your system. So the balance, the heart is where we are at now, and we should stay in there. And there are so many practices to do that. So I will give you a mantra that you can sing. And for me, sound healing is the most potent thing, most healing thing that we can do to really still in the mind and to really be in our heart. So listen to the mantra down below or above. I don't know where I put the mantra. And so sing with me. I wish you a really beautiful equinox on the 21st of March, where we really can enjoy of the beginning of the spring. Thank you so much for listening. I love you. Oha.